Yo, what is up guys, it's Tony for you, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the DJI Spark. So, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the DJI Spark. So basically this is a mini drone. It is one of the smallest drones that DJI has ever created. Now they do have their $1,000 drones, such as like the DJI Mavic, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, Inspire 2, and obviously way more of those. But this one is one of their smallest drones. As you guys can see, this is basically how big the drone is. Obviously it's not real life size, but basically you guys can see basically how small it is and exactly how small the package is as well. It comes in this nice white box. Yeah, basically on the back it just tells you about like the warning, how old you have to be. You have to be ages 15 and up to use it. So I am 15 and a half, so I am allowed to use it. And you can get the app to remote control this on Google Play Store or the App Store. And you can edit your videos on, it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X. Obviously you could just probably use it with a bunch more other editing softwares, but yeah, so that's basically what it is. Just says DJI right here on the side, and yeah, that's kind of it on the box, basically. So let's get it open. Got it. Alright, so let's open it. So let's see, probably just slowly. How should I open this, you guys? I don't know. Just a 15-year-old boy. That's nice. Anyways, so let's see. Where can I open this? I really do not want to damage the box anymore. There we go. Alright, I got a little cut right there. Let's continue on. There's still the package. Alright. Well, that was easy. Let's open it up. Alright. Oh, I forgot about the tape. So, one more piece of tape right here. Oops. Okay. There we go. And this is basically how it looks inside of the box. Just like this. So I believe right here is a case for the drone itself. And on this side is the paperwork. So it has like the documentation and all that other good stuff. So let's take it out. And we'll take it out. So this is the drone inside of the box. And this is our pamphlets and all the other stuff. So this one isn't the Flymore combo. This one is actually the cheaper version. This one is just basically a drone and some extra propellers, and that's kind of it that comes in this. And the Flymore combo comes with a bunch of more stuff. It comes with an extra battery, prop guards, a remote control which can make the range of your drone a lot more farther, so you can fly it a lot farther from you, and you can fly it a lot more faster with the sport mode, with the remote control. But just the normal edition, you can't really do that, so it kind of sucks. But you can obviously get all those separately, so it wouldn't really matter. But yeah, but obviously the Flymore combo is like another $200 to $300 more. While this one is just a standard thing, $300 to $400. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah. So let's keep the box to the side. Check out this stuff. So we'll check out the documentation first, obviously. So we can save the excitement for later. Let's see, so we have it right here. Okay. So this is I want to see. Okay, so this is a micro USB cable for charging it. This drone can actually charge to micro USB. So basically, you just plug in the battery into this, and then it has a slot where you can just plug in a micro USB and just charge it like that. So that's a nice way how to charge it, basically. So that's in there, and let's see what else we get. Great, all of our papers. And I feel like there's something else in here. Maybe this side I open it from. Oh, this box is really complicated. There it is, okay. So it's kind of tips. This one is a power adapter, just a regular power adapter right here. So that's basically our wires at the side. These are all of our papers. This is a quick start guide. So like that. Basically, it intelligent flight, battery safety, and all that. And this is our little pamphlet. And this is really big. Most of it is like, I mean, there's only like very few pages for each one in each different language that people will be buying the drone from. So it may look big, and the words are really, really, really small. Like, it's just amazing how small the words in here are. It's like impossible to read. You have to like have it like right next to your face in order to read it. So, damn. Anyway, so keep on camera on the side. I know I'm just throwing all this stuff because I just want to get to the drone. Anyway, so right here, and drone. See? Okay, and this other thing. Is there anything on this? DJI Care Refresh Keep Flying. It's like what should I call it? Basically like a warranty kind of thing. So if your thing gets damaged in any way, shape, or form, I think this stuff is right here. So that's kind of cool. That aside, and let's get to the drone. So obviously it comes in a really weird feeling box. It feels like a hard styrofoam, the black color. And it says DJI right here. And let's open it up. So just like this actually. Whoa. Damn. Okay. So guys, this is the drone itself right here. So let's see. So this is the Alpine White version, as I said. I got some silica gel. Dang, I was trying to throw it out the camera, but you know, just what Unbox Therapy does with his jack, obviously. But yeah, so this is the drone. It's actually really, really small. They said it's even smaller than your cell phone, so oh my god, that is like insanely small. And it's pretty, wow, it actually has some decent weight to it. Feels like a very premium build, I'm not gonna lie, and it's way smaller than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a bit bigger, but dang, this is insane. Even the camera is small, like everything on this drone is just completely small. It's just insane, and it just feels so nice in the hand. So yeah, this is basically my cell phone right here, and this is the drone itself. If you compare just the body, obviously the wings give it extra, you know, but still, just compare the body with my phone, like right here. Like, it's like smaller than my phone. That's just insane. And I've heard of how much technology is packed into this. It has like a 3D facial scanner right here, so you can do gesture control, which means that you can basically like put out your palm and stuff, and it basically just follows you like that. And it has a bunch of other stuff in it, so that is really, really cool. Really cool. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this to the side, and let's see what else we get in the box. So, nothing else, basically just this little pamphlet. I think these are just some extra, yeah, so these are just some extra propellers right here in case of any of your propellers that are already installed get damaged. So that's kind of neat, obviously. But if you do get the Fly More combo, you get a bunch more stuff. So you even get the guards. So even if you are like a beginner person using drones, then the Fly More combo has a bunch more stuff. This is just basically just a drone and some extra stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna charge up this drone and we're gonna go fly it outside. So let's go outside. Alright guys, so right now it's turned on and we're gonna try the hand gesture mode. Hopefully I can actually get this into camera because I'm not exactly sure if I can. So let's try it out. So basically how to do the gesture mode is you have to basically turn it on and tap the back of the drone twice. So that. Alright. And now it's starting up. Basically right now we're using the force for sure. And basically if you move your arm side to side, the drone will follow. Now basically you can wave your hand, it'll go up in the sky. So let's try it. Just like that, right now it's in the sky. And then we can take a selfie like this. Alright, so we just took a selfie, and now what we can do is raise our hands up like this, And the drone is coming back. And now it's coming towards us. It's pretty cool. Alright. Just like that. And all we have to do to get it is put our hand underneath. And just like that, that's how you control it with the gesture mode. So I think I'm gonna go charge it up a bit more because I think it's almost about to die. I don't know exactly why, but we're gonna recharge it and use my phone to actually record.